be making a fresh strawberry salad. The ingredients we're going to be using are spinach, freeze-dried strawberries, blueberries, raspberry vinegar dressing, canned corn, and that's it. Remember that we always begin by washing our hands. Now let's wash our blueberries and spinach. Now let's open and drain our canned corn. Make sure you have an adult supervising you. Now it's time to assemble. First, put your spinach in the bowl. Next, add a spoonful of corn. After that, add your blueberries and freeze-dried strawberries. Lastly, add your dressing. Now it's time to mix and eat. I hope you like it. If you want to add some extra flavor, you can also add some sunflower seeds and some raisins.